1972 Dodge Charger Rallye. 1972 Dodge Charger Rallye. This car is really unique. It's a 440 4-speed car, one of 11 built. It has the Dana rear end. It's got the incorrect hood on it, but it's a real 71 RT Ram Charger scoop hood. It's got a lot of Bondo, to say the least, in the quarter panels. Also, the interior is pretty toasty, but I think it's an E-body steering wheel too. But there's the pistol grip. Rally gauge cluster. It's got a Hemi 4-speed with the 354 track pack Dana 60 with the rear sway bar. This was owned by R&R Salvage in Missouri, famous for their Mopar Junkyard, where he collected a lot of really rare Mopars, including this car. I believe when he died, it was rescued out of there. It's rough, but not as rough as the 68 Hemi Super Beat that the same owner brought last year. Look at those wheels. In 1972 Charger slits in the door. It's got the buddy seat. Unfortunately, it's also got a flat tire, even though it has tubes in them to temporarily keep them inflated. Something happened yesterday and they've gone flat already.
The owner plans to get this car put back together here in short order. Unfortunately, he has other vehicles in the docket, but you can see this and more in an upcoming issue of Muscle Car Review. And of course, there's cars like this and more in both my books, which you can buy on Amazon or on motorbooks.com. And if you have any questions or if you know of anything cool hanging out, contact me through any of my social media in the description.